Hi, and welcome to day 1 of our 14-day fluency course. Today, we're going to talk about family. So let's have a look at our vocabulary for today's topic. Our first word for today is siblings. Now, siblings are your brothers and your sisters. So, if you have a brother and a sister, you can say, I have 2 siblings, a brother and a sister. If you don't have any brothers or sisters, then you can say, I don't have any siblings. Let's have a look at our next word for today. Our next word for today is cousin. Now, in some cultures, people call their cousins their brothers or their sisters, but in English, they are different. So, a cousin is the child of your uncle and your aunt. Your sibling or your brother or sister is going to be the child of your parents. So it's an aunt. Your sibling or your brother or sister is going to be the child of your parents. So it's important to remember the difference between sibling and cousin. Let's have a look at our third word for today. Our third word for today is deceased. Now, deceased means that someone has died. So we can say that somebody is deceased. For example, I can say my grandfather is deceased. It sounds nicer than saying someone is dead or someone is not here or something like that. Let's have a look at word number 4 for today. Our fourth word for today is passed away, which is actually 2 words. But passed away also means somebody has died. So it's very similar to saying deceased. However, passed away is a verbal phrase. So what we say is we say that somebody has passed away. We don't say somebody is passed away. So if I use deceased and passed away in one sentence, my grandfather is deceased. He has passed away. Also, passed away we can use when we talk about time. So for example, I can say, my grandfather is deceased. He passed away 2 years ago. Let's have a look at our 5th word for today's topic. Our 5th word for today is immediate. We can say my immediate family. My immediate family are the people that I live with, for example, my wife. If I have children, they are part of my immediate family. My mother, my siblings, and also my grandparents. These people are all part of my immediate family. Let's have a look at our 6th word for today's topic. Our 6th word for today is extended. Before, we talked about immediate family, our grandparents, our parents, our siblings, our husband or wife, and our children. Extended family are the other family members, our uncles, our aunts, and our cousins, for example, are all members of our extended family. Let's have a look at our 7th word for today. Our 7th word for today is maternal. Maternal means our mother's side of the family. So for example, if I want to talk about my grandmother, my mother's mother, then I can say my maternal grandmother. If I want to talk about my mother's sister, I can say my maternal aunt. Let's have a look at our final word for today. our final word for today is paternal. Now, maternal means mothers, so paternal means fathers. My father's father is my paternal grandfather. My father's brother is my paternal uncle, for example. So, let's take a moment to review the words we just learned. Looking at the words on the screen, I want you to listen to me and I will say the word and I want you to say it after me. Are you ready? Siblings. Siblings. Cousin. Cousin. Deceased. Deceased. Passed away. Passed away. Immediate. Immediate. Extended. Extended. Maternal. Maternal. Paternal. Paternal. Okay, awesome work. You've just finished video 1 for day 1 of this course.